We've confirmed the specs. Start the automated sequence for the steel plates.
Initiating sequence now. Monitoring arm movements.
Verify the alignment on this mounting point based on the schematic. The tolerance is tight here.
Checking it now. It looks good within the acceptable range. We have an anomaly on the primary manifold. Reroute coolant flow now.
Rerouting sequence initiated. Monitor stabilization levels closely. As you can see, the thickness comparison highlights the advanced multi-layered protection system in our armored doors. The distribution on the rear axle is still too high. We need to redistribute the load here.
Agreed. Let's adjust the component placement in sector gamma.
When you compare the two side by side, the difference is dramatic. This armored glass is designed to be virtually impenetrable, as you can hear.
All right, lift it slowly. Coming up clear on the left.
As you can see through the optical clarity demonstration, despite the thickness of the glass, the view of the welding sparks remains completely undistorted.
That's solid. Passes inspection.
The bullet marks are clearly visible, demonstrating the effectiveness of the armor, as the glass holds firm.
Looks good. Hitting the first bolt now.
The upgraded system adds significant weight. How are the new mounts holding up?
They are stable. We double-check the structural integrity after installation.
Our brake system is specifically designed for armored mass, ensuring maximum safety and performance in the field.
These heavy-duty calipers and vented rotors are specifically engineered to manage the immense weight of the armored mass, ensuring reliable stopping power.
down! Get down! Oh, what was that?
The thermal mapping shows significant scorching near the impact zone.
We need to check the weld penetration on the armor plating.
All right, check's complete. Ready to roll. Confirmed. Let's start the test.
Quality check complete. This unit passes inspection.
We need a secondary review on the welding for this chassis. Flagging for rework.
Ready for deployment.
Absolutely flawless work.
We build power. We ensure safety. We guarantee survival.